It's Doug After Dark, and we're hanging out with
Chad,
Chad and Teresa tonight here at Deer Creek.
Fins up, baby.
Yeah, fins left, fins to the right. Salt, salt, salt. Yeah. So this is which number?
23, I think.
23.
23. You're about
Okay,
7.
we're gonna go with 23, 27 because
Yeah.
her mom and dad corrupted her early. So we're hanging out. You can't see camera girl, of course, because we know that's not allowed. So we're looking forward to tonight. What are you gonna do if it rains?
Get wet.
I'm gonna do a wet T-shirt contest.
There you go.
All prepared, bathing suit. I'm ready.
Yeah.
Maybe some slip and slide.
And Teresa?
Get wet.
She's gonna pick up her husband and hope that he doesn't embarrass him too much.
Thank you. Sorry.
Is he here too?
Sometimes an alter ego, but
Okay, sometimes she has to go by Debbie if her husband sees her on here. Because that's Chad. All right, camera girl, anything to add? Hell no, she's down there face buried in the phone. It's Doug After Dark tonight out at Jimmy Buffett. Having a good time, rocking and rolling. There you go. It's a good crowd, having fun. A few people here. It's a good place to listen to the concert, meet fun people. Hey, where are you guys at?
Jimmy Buffett!
Right! Are you having fun?
Oh, so much fun.
And were you subscribing to
Doug's After Dark.
Dougster After Dark? That's right! That stir fucks everybody up. Let's get Sharks!
Fins up.
And you are?
Heather. Bailey.
Woody. Right. And I'm,
Dougster.
you know, that's why I like coming out here. Oh yeah, look! Now! So, first concert, fifth concert, how many? 40?
Our first.
My God, your parents corrupted you.
My husband.
I'm sorry?
My husband corrupted me. So, he's down there.
He's fooling around down there. Just kidding. Thanks, you guys. Subscribe. See how much fun you.
Subscribe.
And later on, go. Texture, I'm feeling bad. See, he's got the idea.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Swipe up.
Swipe up.
All right. Give me fins to the left, fins to the right. All right. Are you ready? Fins to the left. Okay. Maybe the left and right's kind of hard. Okay. We're gonna do this left, right. Fins to the right. All right. So when it comes up, think of Dougster when you hear salt, salt, salt.
Definitely.
Thanks, guys. Subscribe. I'll put you on there by midnight tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It's Dougster After Dark once again. Camera girl's going to show you the vision out here. This is from the VIP box, so good times. Spin out there, camera girl.